Hi Daria. The attributes, or where to do the ring sizes, is found under attributes and manage attributes. When you click in there, you'll come to this page here. You'll see that we have 3 pages and the ring sizes are on the second page here. So if you click on that, we should go into an area. So that's on properties. We need to go to manage label, and you'll see that the ring sizes are here. So if you wanted to add another one, you just click add option and then you type in whatever that ring size is. So let's say it's a, what are we up to, IJ? A G. So a G, that'll do. Or an I, a full I. So we go from there. Now the other thing is you don't have the positions in here, so we should probably put them in there so that they're at the top. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and you just number them all the way down. I'll pause this and I'll finish that off. Okay, I think we're going again. So you'll see here that I've numbered those. We don't need this one, so I'll delete it for now. But if you do want to add one, that's how to do it. And if you want them in order, you have to redo this. Now you can choose a default position, so I'll go for like say L is the default position, and then when you click down to it you'll see the rest of it. So if I save that like this, and once that's done I'll log into your site and we'll go have a look at a ring. There we go. And oops. Bit slow, but there we go. So let's find a ring. Rings, or where is it? Rings. So if I click into one of these, you'll see that I can choose a default size. That's because that's what you have in stock. So, but you'll see they're there. You can add to these if you want, but you have to add the amount of stock for each one. So if I go into that product, so we'll copy that, that's what it's called. Back to here, products. I always search this way, so I get a title and then I search it, and you'll see that that should come up. There it is there. I go to the configurable product, or I can go into each one here, but I'll go into the configurable product. I'm probably doing this wrong, but let me have a little look. Associated products. Here's all the pricing and that in here. You can see they're all in stock. That's why they're the ones that you're looking at here. You can add other ones as you want to go. So if I want to change the stock item for that, I'll go back. So I put in the quantities. I click in here and go to inventory, and there I can adjust my quantity on each one. But when you're creating a new item, you do that in the item. So if I go back and I want to create another size of ring, I would go back into the configurable product, and I would go to associated products, and I would decide here that I'm going to create a new product. So I'm going to say it's 0.05 in weight will do. I don't know what they are. The status is enabled. Visibility is not visible individually, because I don't want it visible individually. I'll choose my stock size, so I'll go with L. Don't think we have L here. And my quantity, I'm going to put 5, like that, and quick create it. And there it is here now, the L here. If I save that, like we're doing, and go back to my store, If it was in here, I'll just go back to home and go back into that. You'll see now that I'll have L available, but it has to be in stock for that to happen. Oh shit, I don't remember which one it was. What was it? What was that one? That one there. Cool. How do I know which one it is? That one there, I think it was. And there's L. So I've just put that into stock, and there's 5 of those in stock. So that's it. That's what you do. If I wanted to order 10 of them, I don't think it would add it. I don't think I'd be able to get 10 of them. Quantity's not available, see, because there's only 5 in there, so I couldn't do it. So that's how you do it. I'll go and delete that item so that we don't have that issue. Back to products. I'll delete it, which is the L, that one there. I'll click it there and delete. Here it is, action, delete, submit, okay, and your store is now back to normal. Hopefully that helps your question.